Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atri and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, reviews, hauls, etc. So if you guys are interested in such content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So I have been off lately from social media. I think many of you were, messaging me, asking me about my whereabouts. So I'm really thankful, really glad. And if you can hear some noise of that's someone speaking in the background. So please don't mind that. That's my mother-in-law speaking in the background. So please don't mind because households wives are like this, like cutting the crap. Now let's come back to what I was saying. So guys, in today's video I am going to talk about new launches from Mars Cosmetics, and these are not just launches, they are the trending a lip balm, tinted lip balm, viral lip balm. So I have been seeing many brands like Mars, Insight, Swiss Beauty, they are just dropping products here and there. So I'm going to talk about a lot of things about Mars lip balm. So I'm going to try it out for the very first time and I'm going to see if they are going to moisturize my lips. I have all the three shades. I think they have, no, I don't know, like they have I think six shades and I have four of them. So let's just see and let's just swatch for you guys and see how they fare. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. And if you're wondering about this makeup look, this is like super duper easy makeup look that I'm going to share with you guys in the form of shots, one by one, step by step. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now I was talking about Mars Aqua Splash lip balm. Now it's a tinted and hydrating lip balm that captures the essence of stardust, leaving your lips nourished, radiant, and that's all is written over here. Let me just read what they are saying. And effortlessly beautiful, let your lips glow as this enchanting lip balm nourishes and pampers them throughout the day. Now this is what the packaging looks like. I have four of them, I feel. Yes, this retails for 129 rupees and you are getting 3 grams of product, so that means 43 rupees per gram, and you get 4 years ka shelf life. That's like amazing. Now this is PETA certified, cruelty free, also vegetarian. Now it has shea butter, vitamin E, jojoba oil and cocoa extract, and this is what the cute packaging looks like. Now let's just open it. You just get a perforated end over here and then you have to just open it like this. And here you get your product, and this is what the product looks like. Now it looks very similar to their one of their lipsticks. I feel if I find a picture I will just put it over here. So this is what it looks like. I hope my camera is capturing it because my phone is not in a good shape anyways. So let's just open this. This is how it looks like. Now let's swatch this one. This has a really nice watermelon fragrance which I love, which I literally love. So let's just, okay, now this is what it is. Whoa, this is pigmented, plus this is very juicy. I just hope it looks the same way on my lips also. So let me just also swatch it over here. Oh, this is really pigmented, so I'm hoping it will transfer on my lips like this only. And if you're wondering what lip color I'm wearing, so this is by K Beauty. This is their, I don't know where I have kept it. Yes, I got it. So this is their lip tint in Juicy. Love this one. Yeah, so let's just go and see how these lip balms fare on my lips. Let's go. Now this feels so hydrating, plus this is super duper creamy and tinted. It just gives me a very nice juicy glossy effect. It's like a lip balm, but definitely it just gives me really nice effect. Definitely yay from my side for this particular shade. And let's just try a few more shades. One tip I really want to give you, that please swatch the lip balm beforehand over your hand, because when you are applying it directly to the lips, it is not going to give you that you can say it is not going to melt quickly. So one tip is that you need to swatch it on your hands and then apply on your lips. It is going to look much better. So this is the shade looks like. Now let's swatch the other shade. Alright guys, you just saw the swatches and this is what the hand swatch looks like. Now this one is cocoa. This is I think yeah, this is watermelon. Then this one is your pomegranate, and the last one is let me just see because I'm just forgetting. Last one is dragon fruit. Now the least pigmented is this one, the cocoa one, and the most pigmented I think this is a very nice berry shade. So if you are someone who does not like a lot of bright colors, please go for cocoa, or yeah, cocoa, or this pomegranate is still okay. But if you want that, you know, blast of color, go for go for dragon fruit or watermelon. That will look amazing and stunning on your lips. Now I feel that this is really hydrating, and it gives me the perfect punch of color. So if you're a college going girl, or you like something in general which is very hydrating, plus it gives you color, so I think this is the best for you. And the quality is not that bad, the quality is really good. It gives you that shine, that glossiness. It is not extra glossy, it is not extra, it's very balmy. Yeah, it's very balmy. It's not very glossy over the top, or the color is not too much. The color is also perfect for, you know, this season. So definitely yay from my side. And now let's just see the last product which I have from Mars Cosmetics. Right now I have the Mars Rebel Kajal. This is what it looks like. This is again a new launch, and I really like kajals these days because I just apply it on my outer rim, or you know, onto my upper lash line. It has 3 years ka shelf life, 279, retails for 279. Now this says Ziddi black, rich black. So let me just open it properly and see how it fares. So it is like this is not retractable. Yes, you have to sharpen it, which I do not like because I don't have a lot of time daily. Let me just apply it on my lower lash line. Hmm. Definitely, it's very pigmented, very black. For that matter, I just give you a swatch. This is what the swatch looks like. And it is also smudge proof, I feel. Let's just smudge this. It is smudging a little bit, but definitely it is water resistant, not waterproof. And I love how it is so black. So guys, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Just get any one of the lip balms and you will not regret. Kajal is fine, like the kajals are. I like the kajal. So this is what it looks like. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care and keep supporting. Bye.